Hello, it's Mrs. Davis from Happy Place to Grow. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a very important and exciting new series that we're working through called First in Phonics. We are taking letters and sounds, putting them together to build and read words so we can be successful readers. We have already worked on reviewing letters and sounds, and in video number 2, we built a rhyming family with this short vowel sound, short A, and we added this ending sound t to create the at family. We built a lot of words together. We sounded them out, blended them, and we were able to read a whole group of words using our phonics skills. Now, today, we're going to continue with short A, There's a lot of words as we're reading, especially for we're beginning our reading journey. There's a lot of words that have short vowels and short A words. There's a lot of rhyming families that contain short A. So today we're going to be pairing with this ending sound, this letter sound p, but we're going to put the p at the end, and we're going to be building app rhyming words. We're going to be adding a beginning sound. Here's the sounds that we're going to be using. We're going to be using k and oo, and t. We're going to be placing those sounds at the beginning, and then we're going to sound out the word. We're going to blend it slow and then say it fast. So let's get started. We're using the touch your fingers or touch your arm, beginning, middle, end. So the words that we're going to build today have 3 sounds, so 3 taps, each letter sound or each letter sound, and then we're going to blend those sounds together so we'll hear them, but they're going to flow together slowly. And then after we've done that, we're going to go quickly and read the whole word. So if you're doing this little motion, beginning, middle, end, blend slow, blend fast, or beginning, middle, end, blend slow, blend fast. Or you can just point to the letter cards with me. All right, we're going to practice together, and then you're going to practice on your own at home. So we're going to be building the app rhyming family. These rhyme because they say app. That pattern also can help us to spy words that contain app, middle, and end. And if we spy those in books or in print when we're out and about, we can read quickly by using a rhyming pattern. Okay, here we go. Let's get started. We're going to take k. It's the beginning sound, so we're going to tap out each sound together. Here we go. K, a, p. Let's do that one more time. K, a, p. All right, now you do it on your own. By identifying each sound, when you blend it together, you'll know what's coming next. Now we're going to put those 3 sounds together, k, a, p, but we're going to blend them. We're going to slide them together without pausing. Here we go. Cap, cap, Now you do it at home slowly. Good job saying cap. Now we're going to put cap together quickly so we hear the whole word. Let's go. If you're doing this, you just slide very quickly or slide on those 3 fingers very quickly. Here we go. Cap. One more time, practice together with me. Cap. Now you do it on your own. I'll slide. You say it fast. Ready, set. Good job saying cap. The first word in our rhyming family is cap. You know, like a ball cap or a cap on a soda bottle. Cap. Good job. All right, I'm going to take down, and now I'm going to replace it with this sound. Ooh, it's going to be the beginning sound. It's going to be the first sound as we're going from left to right. We're going to say each sound individually. We know this says app, but we're going to break it up and then we'll blend it all together. Here we go. O, a, p. All right, let's do it again. O, a, p. Great job. Now you do it at home on your own. Super. Now let's put o, a, p together slowly. Here we go. Ready? Lap. One more time. Practice with me. Lap. Now you do it on your own. You know, practice makes perfect, they say. Here we go. Good. I like to say practice makes permanent. So the more you do it, it sticks in your brain permanently. All right, we're going to say it fast together. Here we go. Lap. Great. Let's do it one more time together. Lap. Now you do it on your own. Ready, set, say it fast. Good job saying lap. Lap. So we've got cap and we've got lap. All right, let's take O down and let's add this letter sound, We're going to put it at the beginning, middle, and end, 3 sounds. Let's break them up. Here we go. A, p. Let's do it one more time. A, p. Good job. Now you do it on your own at home. Way to go. Now let's blend a, p together. So we're just sliding those sounds. Here we go. Map. Good. One more time. Map. All right, you're ready for your own practice. Here we go. All right, now let's take map and put it together really quickly. Let's do it together. Ready, set, map. Do it again. Map. Now you do it on your own. Ready, set, fast. Good job saying the whole word map. So we took app, map. So far in this rhyming family, we have cap, we have lap, and we have map. Let's keep building the app family. Let's take this sound, put it at the beginning. I think I need this, don't you? After we sound it out, we might be ready for this action. All right, let's tap it out together. A, p. Let's do it one more time. A, Now you do it on your own. Great. Let's put p together slowly. Nap. One more time. Nap. Good job. Now you do it at home on your own. Blend. Great job putting nap together. Now let's say it fast. We'll practice together and then you can do it on your own. Here we go. Saying it fast. Nap. One more time. Nap. Now you do it at home. Whoops, I was going slow. Let's go fast. Here we go. Great job saying nap. N-A-P. Nap. Nap. I might be ready for a nap. A short siesta after working so hard on building this app family. Cap, lap, map, and nap. We're going to build one more app. Writing family word. Let's put down and let's get in our last lesson session. This was at the end. It was an ending sound. But we're going to switch this t sound and we're going to put it at the beginning of the word. So the letter sound is the same. It is a t, but we're starting with this sound instead of ending with it. So here we go. We're going to tap it out or sound it out. Each sound. T, a, p. Good. One more time together. T, a, p. Now you do it on your own. Great job saying t, app. Let's put t, app together slowly. Let's do it together as a practice. Here we go. Tap. One more time. Tap. Great. Now you do it on your own at home, slow. Super. Now we're going to put tap, tap together and we're going to say it fast. We'll get the whole word in. Let's practice, both of us. Here we go. Ready, set, tap. One more time. Tap. All right. Now you do it on your own. Practice on your own. Ready, set. Great job reading the word tap. All right, let's look over our rhyming list here that we've created with the app family. Let me put these letters down so we can see our words. We've got cap, lap, map, nap, and tap. I'm going to point to them again, and I want you to read them at home. Thinking about the letter sounds. Great. Now I'm going to lift these out. We're going to review them together. And then I'm going to flash them at you and see if you can read them on your own. All right, I'm going to lay them out. Let's spell, sound them out, and then read them. Our first word was cat, spelled with a C-A-P, k-ap. And the word is cap, right? And then we built this word, lap, L-A-P, L-ap, lap. And then we built the word map, M-A-P, app, map, right? And then nap, N-A-P, app, nap. And then we finally built this word that rhymes with cap, lap, map, and nap. T-A-P, Now, I'm going to flash these words at you. See if you can read them quickly, but if not, I'll give you a second and you can sound them out and blend them. And that way, keep practicing that strategy, and in no time at all, you'll recognize and read words with ease. Here we go. First word. Flash it. All right. Did you say map? Good. All right, next one. If you can't read it right away, sound it out, tap it out. Hey, tap it out. I love it. Next word. All right, you got that one. Lap. Remember, this is the app family rhyme. So all you have to do is think about the beginning and put it with that. That's another great way to read. Yeah. Cap. Good job. And then good job reading the word map. Wow, you are doing excellent with your skills. Thanks for helping me build the app rhyming family. Today, we used our tapping each individual sound out, our blending, and then we put those sounds together quickly to read new words. All right, join me on our next video lesson because we're still thinking about short A. I've got another short A rhyming. I told you there are a lot of them. Let me see if I can find. Here we go. On our next lesson together, we're going to build, sound out, blend together, and say words quickly. And this time, we're going to be working with, whoops, that's not him. That was, there we go. We got the right letter. We're going to be taking add, the rhyming family add, and we're going to build another great short A rhyming family. We're going to be experts before these lessons are over. I am so excited that you are improving each day. You're working hard. All right, until our next time together, as always, keep using your sounding out strategy and keep on reading. I'll see you real soon.